Welcome to Sinclair Tractor's Integrated Solutions training videos. In this video I'm going to go over how to import data manually into a GS3 2630 display. In order to do this, you're going to need your data on a USB drive that is 4 gigabytes in size or less, and then obviously the display. So the first step is going to be to back up the data that may be in the display currently. So go ahead and insert your drive into either of the two ports on the side of the display. It doesn't matter which one. What we want to do first is export a backup of what's on the display. So hit export data. Want to give it a unique name so that you know this was just to back up the data in the display. Might not be a bad idea to put a date with it. And hit accept. And then begin transfer. So it's going to export a backup onto the drive. Depending on the amount of data in the display, this could take a considerable period of time. You need to let it transpire without removing power from the display. When it's complete, it'll bring up this message. Go ahead and hit accept. Then remove the drive from the display. And now what we want to do before we start any major operation is we want to erase the data that's in the display to clear out its memory and start fresh. So now that we have a backup, go ahead and hit erase data. The way that we get to that, if you're not on that screen, go to your main menu, go to GS3, go to GS3 again in the upper right corner, and then at the top go to the memory tab. That gives you the erase data button. It'll ask you if you want to delete documentation data or all data. Ideally you want to do all data. This will take it back to a factory fresh condition. Hit begin removal and it will remove the files. Again, you'll get the progress bar on the screen as well as the flashing light in the bottom right corner of the display. Again, it could take a little bit of time. Hit accept once you get the complete message. And now we can go ahead and import our fresh setup data. So insert your drive back into the display. Now we're going to import data. We need to pick the profile that we're importing and select begin transfer. It's going to ask you if you want to overwrite what's in the display. Since we've just cleared it out, we know that we're okay. Go ahead and hit it yes. Again, we get the progress bar graph with the blinking light. Go ahead and accept once it's complete. And then in order to use the display, and it tells you right down at the bottom, you have to remove the USB drive to function on Greenstar. And that is how you do the import of setup data into the 2630 GS3 display. Thank you.